Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to set this brand new Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G with my old Samsung Note 10 Plus. So since this is fully charged already, by the way, I have this sub case. It's a UB Pro edition. And if you guys like this fully protection case, I'm going to link it in the description so you guys can check them out later on, okay? So I'm going to power on for the first time. Since I did the unboxing, I haven't powered on yet. I was charging last night, so make sure you fully charge your smartphone the first time, even though they ship it with a couple of the percentage of the juice, but it's not fully charged. So you will need to power on your old Galaxy devices at the same time. Alright, so this is my old Samsung Note 10 Plus, and then it also detects the Buds Live, so let's go ahead and. So you need to be sure you check out everything, agree and turn on condition and all the above. Click on next, and you need to connect to your home Wi-Fi. Alright, so enter your Wi-Fi password and then press connect. And then click on next. So it's checking for the updates, installing updates. So it might take a while. So you want to go ahead and copy apps and data. You're going to click on next. Use your old device. You need your old Android phone or iPad device. iPad. And then you're going to click on next. So it says updating a smart switch. So it's going to use that smart switch app in order to copy everything. Get connected. What is your old device? So you're going to click on Galaxy, Android, or there's an iPhone, iPad. And you're going to click on agree. So since I'm going to do wirelessly, you could do two options. One is with cable, the other one is wireless. So get connected. Open smart switch on your old device to connect. So since mine is, I already have it already, so I'm gonna click on send stuff to your Note 20 Ultra 5G and just click on yes on my old phone. So it's automatically detect itself, and then just click on allowed. So now it's copying everything from your Note 10 Plus. And you could choose what to bring. And if you want to copy everything, since mine is 512 and 512, I'm just going to click on transfer, okay? And if there are certain stuff that you don't want, just uncheck the blue check, like this, all right? And then click on transfer. copy to your new device, copy your Google account, and restore Google Backup if available. So you're gonna press copy, and you need to verify your PIN or your fingerprint ID. Oh, shoot. So yeah, make sure your phone doesn't go into sleep mode. So I'm gonna leave the keep screen on, and then you gotta click on next. Click on next, and make sure you have all this checked. Accept. Protect your phone, face recognition, fingerprint. I'm gonna do a PIN for now. Enter the PIN. Okay, so you gotta enter it twice in order to confirm, and press OK. So it want me to verify my account, so it will send it to my old cell phone. All right, after I verify, it says all done, and then just click on finish. So in the background, they are still downloading all the different apps and everything, okay? So I'm just gonna let this do its own thing. And then after it's finished verifying, after it's finished installing and everything, I should get all my apps and everything on to the new Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. So yeah, let's come back later. I don't want to waste you guys' time. So yeah, it's still copying. So it might take a while. Every time we this notification sound, I mean, app has been downloaded or something. So anyway, we're gonna be back. All right, it shows all the account added, and I'm gonna click on next. Check out what's trending with the Google Assistant. Next. And then I click on accept. Still copying your stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it copy everything and then I'll come back again. Yeah, it shows that copying your stuff, 55 minutes left. Wow. Alright, so on my Note 10 Plus, it says all done, and then click on close. But on the Samsung Note 20 Ultra, it says organize your stuff, updating message data. Let's see. Nope. All my apps haven't been finished yet. Let's click on all done and see what happened. See, this is all the apps that I have. Maybe let it finish organize everything and then we'll see. Let's come back later. Alright, I can see some of the apps are copying completely now. So let's go and check it out real quick. So that's the first page. Yeah, it seems like most of the app is being copied right now, but some of these are highlighting gray color, so it's not finished completely updating yet. So yeah, it looks pretty good so far. Anyway, we're gonna be back. Yeah, some of the apps are still getting installed right now. That's why I see those buffering circle right there. So that's why some of those apps are in like a gray color. So when I click on it, it's just gonna come into this apps installation. All right, so I finally update everything, but some of the Yahoo Finance, it is still in gray. I'm not sure why. And then it says app version downgraded or isn't compatible with this shortcut. So I'm just going to swipe up. Oops. Start from the beginning. So as you can see, all the apps are in color now. So that means everything has been backed up completely. All right, that's how you copy from your Samsung Note 10 Plus to your new and latest Note 20 Ultra 5G. And that should be the same if you have an iPhone or iPad or any other Android phone. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.